Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today being the second Tuesday of February, it also means that it's Patch Tuesday, or what Microsoft likes to call Security Update Tuesday. So today, February the 10th, we have the updates for Windows 10 extended support. We made a video. And we have the updates, the Windows updates for Windows 11, 24H2, 25H2. And so if you go to your Windows update, you'll see that appear. If you look here, I've installed it. So I had a security update for Windows 11, which was KB5077181. Pushes your build number to 26200.7840 on 25H2. If you're on 24H2, you'll see that you'll get 26100.7840. And that is the security updates. It fixes several 0 days, and that I think is where the focus needs to be. There are 6 0 days that are exploited in the wild that Microsoft fixes here. So that means that these updates this month will be important. Overall, there's not that many. We'll talk about that in a rundown video where it's kind of a small month. One interesting thing that happened now, I also got, by the way, the .NET update here. Not everybody gets that. It depends if you have it installed or not on your PC. The other thing also, if you haven't installed the security, the bug fixing updates for the month of January and all the updates that they did to fix things, all of that is integrated within this update. So if you have a PC that you did not update anything since January Patch Tuesday, this update will include the bug fixing updates that were released. 2 of them were released to fix the problems with the January Patch Tuesday updates. One of the interesting things that I wanted to mention is that 2 machines and 2 different speeds. I mean, I have my gaming laptop and I have this PC that I'm showing here, the screen, which is a mini PC. And for some reason, what's interesting is that the mini PC did the update a lot faster than my Asus gaming laptop, which is usually the other way around. So for some reason, the install process took longer. But overall, on both computers, the updates didn't take more than, like on my Asus gaming laptop, it was longer, but it took maybe 15 minutes. Total, but it was longer. And on my mini PC, that's what's funny is that the process maybe took less than 10 minutes overall, from download to finish. So it was pretty quick. So check it out if you want to stay safe. It's important, and I know that some people wait because you never know, and we have a great example with January Patch Tuesday updates that for some people were a big mess, a big problem. But hopefully this month is going to go better. Sometimes we don't know right away. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to know, but hopefully things will go well with the Patch Tuesday updates for February of 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.